You're witnessing a time study of the labor savings of TPO prefabricated pipe seal versus field-fabricated pipe flashing. The prefabricated TPO pipe seal is manufactured from reinforced membrane, while the field-fabricated pipe flashing is formed from non-reinforced flashing. On the left side, the applicator is first welding the vertical pipe wrap, followed by the horizontal deck flange to the field membrane. On the right side, the field-fabricated version of the identical detail is created by first measuring and cutting a circular piece of flashing for the horizontal deck flange. One edge of this flashing is heated and stretched by hand, so the inner portion of the circular cutout extends up the pipe approximately 1/2 inch. Once the horizontal deck flange is formed, the flashing is welded to the field membrane. While the applicator is finishing the prefabricated pipe seal, the other applicator is still measuring the circumference of the pipe to create the vertical wrap. Once the vertical wrap is cut, the applicator must heat and stretch the flashing to extend onto the deck flange. The vertical wrap is positioned around the pipe and the overlap is welded in place. Once the prefabricated pipe seal is welded in place, cut-edge sealant is applied. The prefabricated TPO split pipe seal, with a typical installation time of less than 4 minutes versus 20 minutes for the field-fabricated counterpart, yields over 400% labor savings for the roofing contractor. The time study you're about to witness is another example of TPO prefabricated curb wrap corners versus a field-fabricated curb wrap. TPO curb wrap corners, depicted on the left side of the video screen, provide the roofing contractor a method to reduce labor costs when flashing curbs used for skylights, rooftop units, or other applications. The prefabricated curb wrap corner is a one-piece unit that incorporates a pre-made corner and reinforced membrane extensions that flash the sides of the curb. Curb is completed by simply welding 4 of the curb wrap corners around the curb, as seen on the left hand of the video screen. Field fabricating the identical detail, as shown on the right side of the video screen, requires cutting reinforced membrane to wrap the curb. On a smaller curb, as shown here, the curb wrap can be completed with a single piece of reinforced membrane. On larger curbs, 4 pieces of membrane are typically utilized, which increases the installation time by approximately 10 minutes. Once the curb wrap is cut, the base flange is welded to the deck membrane and the vertical weld is completed. 4 non-reinforced outside corners are then installed. Pictured on the left, the prefabricated TPO curb wrap corners are fabricated from 45 mil reinforced membrane and are available in 6 sizes to fit curbs up to 6 feet by 6 feet. Finally, to complete both details, all edges of the reinforced membrane must be sealed with cut-edge sealant. The prefabricated TPO curb wrap corner yields over 120% labor savings for the roofing contractor.